homework here. The distance of MN, M to N, this distance to here, right there. That's C, right? That's the diagonal. This is 9 degrees, that's A and B. That's 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, that's 8 there. So you do A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. 4 squared plus 8 squared equals to C squared. And 16 plus 64 equals to C squared. You get 80 equals to C squared. Take square root of 80. Square root of 80 is equal to 8.94. That's a 4. So this C, this spot, is just the distance. MN is equal to 8.9 units. Put units because there's no measurement. Find the area of the above triangle. We need to find this area here. Remember, area is the land or the dirt inside the shape. Okay, so area is base times height divided by 2 for a triangle. So area is 4 times 8 divided by 2. That's the base, and that's the height. A and B is always base and height. You get 16 units squared. To perimeter, you add all the sides, so you add 4 plus 8 plus 8.9. Hey Isaac, are you done? Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to wait for me. I need to record this and I'll go pick you up, okay? I'll be there in about 10 minutes. I'll be there in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes.
4 minutes?
20. 2-0.
I can't hear. I'll just be.
20.9. Add us all up. You get 20.9, right? Units. And then do the same here. Same thing there. And we did this in class, most students. I'll do this one. For D here, I think in most classes I did B and C. So here, make 0 to the 1x minus 1x. 1x. 5x, additive inverse, that's a negative 10. That's 0, that's a negative 20. Make 0 to 10. Okay, that's 5x equals to negative 10 divided by 5. X equals to negative 2. Okay? And now, we did this in class, so, or started in most classes, and we had to finish B. Your brother Juan wants to save money to buy Samsung 8. He've already saved $55. And means plus. Plan to save $8 per means times weeks. So it's $55 plus $8 per week. Per means times. Write an equation for total cost equals to total amount saved. Total amount saved. So it's A for amount they saved. If one saved $183, how many weeks have one been saving? So this case it's saved. So amount saved goes in here. So 55 plus 8W equals to $183. Subtract 55. 8W equals to 128 divide by 8 divide by 8. Let's see, 128 divided by 8 is how many weeks? 16 weeks. W stand for, no. How many weeks have Juan been saving? Juan been saving 16 weeks. Okay. Now, if Juan's been saving for 8 weeks, let's go back to this original equation right here that I highlight. How much money have Juan saved? We want the amount of money he'd saved. 55 plus 8 W 8 times $8 times the number of weeks equals to amount saved. Okay, so 55 plus 8 times the number of weeks, they gave you 8 weeks here, equals to the amount he saved. So use a calculator. Juan saved blank dollars in 8 weeks. Okay, now this bottom piece here, get x, 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 x to the first, and this gets a radical square root of x. M squared, nothing left for the square root, so we erase that piece. Okay, this is n p, there's 5 p's, n to the first, 1 pair, 2 pairs, p to the second. This one doesn't have a pair, so we put radical p. Okay, 5x, 9y's, 1, 2, square root of x, x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, y to the 4th. Well, there should be an extra y, right? Oh yeah, and with y left over. It goes inside like that. Okay? So square root of 24 is 6 times 4, 2 times 3, 2 times 2, so that 2 times 2 times, that's 2, 2, 2, with this 3. So 2 to the first power, these 2 doesn't have pairs, it stays inside. 2 times 3 is 6, so square root of 6. 75 is 3 times 25, 5 times 5, so 3 times 5 times 5, 1 pair, 5 to the first, it doesn't have any, square root of 3. Square root of 32, same way. 8 times 4, 2 times 2, 4 times 8, 2, 2 times 2. 2, 2, 2, there's 5 of them. 1 pair, 2 paired, 2 squared, square root of 2. 4 square root of 2. Square root of 20, 5 times 4. 2 times 2 times 5. 2 to the first, square root of 5. Okay, so right here, 5 times 5 times 5, 5 to the first, square root of 5. That's your answer. Okay, there you go. Hope that helps.